There are 39 possible ways to fit all of these pieces onto the minimal frame together. But the correct solution can only be found when none of the pieces can slide off the frame. If a piece is locked in such a way that it can slide off of the frame without something else locking it in, that means you do not have it solved in the correct way. This is the minimal frame puzzle. To get the puzzle for yourself, go click the link in the description. We start off by putting the blue piece here. We can use this dark red piece on the bottom. Next, take this pink piece and link it together with the red. Then if we take this blue piece and we fit it in over here, we can use this red piece to interlock between those, and so far everything is locked in and it can't be removed from the frame without pulling another piece off. We take the green piece and we fit it in up here. We can put the orange piece in the center, but if we add this purple piece and yellow piece up here, this solution would not be possible because we can slide the pieces off the frame and they aren't interlocked together with all of the other pieces. Instead, start off with this lighter red piece up here and the darker red piece in this bottom corner. Next, we can take this pink piece and link it together with the red. Next, take the blue piece and pack it up here. Then we can take this purple piece and interlock it together with the red. Now we can use this green piece to interlock the purple and the red so that the pieces can't just slide out. If we take this yellow piece and we pack it in up here, we can lock all of those pieces together. Then we can take this blue piece and interlock those two pieces together. And lastly, the orange piece can fit in the frame, and all of the pieces are interlocked together, making sure that nothing can be pulled off the frame.